Some people just use Yelp in order to find the best burrito or food they're looking for, but Scott Cola has decided to gather his own data. He has looked at more than 200 burritos in San Diego County, and we're here to taste some at Hopengo's. Why don't you tell us about our project, Scott?
Yeah, so a lot of my friends and I would argue about which burrito is the best around the restaurants around San Diego, but we found that we don't really have much data to support our arguments.
It's an investigation into the question, what elements of burritos make them delicious? He uses the 10 different dimensions to measure the quality of burritos, which all add into the final score. When eating the burrito, he does it in this order. The dimensions are volume, tortilla quality, meat quality, non-meat filling quality, the meat to filling ratio, uniformity, salsa quality, burrito synergy, and wrap integrity. The 10 dimensions are then factored into an overall score. So far, he's mostly tried California burritos because he wants to use that as a separate, smaller analysis. The burritos we ate at Hopengo's were different from the ones that he typically tries. Hopengo's is a sit-down restaurant, so many of the burritos, like the lobster ones, are wet and meant to be eaten with a knife and fork.
Well, my friends and I would go to different burrito shops and then often debate like, oh, is this California burrito better at the taco shop we were at last week?
Cole admits the data isn't perfect. Because he goes to UCSD, most of the burritos he has tried are from the northern part of San Diego County. Still, he's opened up his data set to others, and anyone may participate.
One burrito isn't the best in all of the different dimensions.
Experiments like this show that there is no best burrito, but it forces people to realize what they're really looking for when they order a burrito. Reporting from Hopengo's, I'm Daniel Wheaton from the San Diego Union-Tribune.